This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the insert from the case and exposing the felt pad. This gives direct access to the Flint tube. Once done, press the spring retainer with a small screwdriver or coin and rotate slightly to release tension. Make sure to catch the small spring and any old Flint on a tray. You do not want them lost. While you have access, inspect the Flint wheel and tube for debris so the next steps go smoothly and you avoid jamming. You now insert a fresh Flint. Hold the insert at a slight angle and depress the spring to keep the retainer open while you drop the Flint into the tube. Then, carefully release and begin turning the spring retainer clockwise until it seats with light resistance. You want firm contact, not crush. Once seated, snap the lid and flick the wheel. If you hear a gritty sound and see sparks, the Flint is seating correctly. If not, repeat with clean hands and a new Flint. You finish by sliding the insert back into the case. Align it and press down until it clicks into place. Once assembled, perform several firm flicks to confirm consistent sparks and reliable ignition. Make sure the lighter has sufficient fluid as well. If it fails, check the Flint wheel for excessive wear, clear any lint from the tube, and inspect the spring. Replace it if weak. Finally, if sparks are intermittent, repeat the Flint seating step. Often a tiny
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.